What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you rock with the boy, then you see me unbox a huge box like this before. And here is another Kith Treat special, man. I think once a month. I'm not sure when they do it. I know every time I see a shirt that's fire, I cop. This the Kith Treats t-shirt, but usually it comes in a nice box like this. Has a marker, some crayons. I showed y'all the Tricks one. I showed y'all this one. I showed y'all, I think, Lucky Charms. It was so many. Today we gonna unbox a new one. Let's get it. This is not your regular size cereal box. It's a lot bigger, but to come in that big cardboard box, I don't know why, but I guess it keeps it safe, man. So here is the Kith Treats Tropical Destination Tee. I think that's exactly what it is. I could be wrong, but I'll put it up there so y'all can see it also. But I believe that was the name. And I always love these boxes, man, even though before taping of this video, I couldn't find the Cheerio one, the Hanukkah one. I couldn't find none of them, but this one I keep in a nice place. But I really like this box because you look on the side, it has like the nutrition facts on the side, just like your regular cereal box, but it's talking about the t-shirt and what's inside. Super dope. On the other side is like a Kith facts. If you know, on the old cereal boxes, you either have like a fact of the day or some Guinness thing or the joke of the day. So right here you got the Kith facts there. I really like that, man. The back, it has, like, you know, it's little games always on cereal boxes. I like that. Step 2, collect them all. So that's the other two shirts that's in the set. And right here is the actual graphic that's on the tee that I'm about to show you guys. You always get like some free crayons or markers, like I told you in the beginning of the video. There you go right there, free marker inside. 100% cotton, 250 GSM. It's super dope. And the whole box has a Kith Treats monogram, which is super dope. All right, let's open this up. And the first thing I see is the marker, guys. So here's the Kith Treats marker, as promised. I got a whole bunch of these. Let's get to the tea, man. Come in your nice Kith Treats bag. Kith and presentation go hand in hand. I love it, man. And it reads Kith Treats Tropical Destination Tee Petal. Like I knew it would. Let's get this open. Yes, sir. It's a little loud. I'm not gonna lie. A little loud. But it looks like the big fat white man in every cartoon or a TV show that's going to Hawaii, whatever. They always got like this colored shirt on, even though it's a button up. I like it though, man. So you get the Kith logo. It looks like a little, like, you know, when you're on the beach and there's a little bar or whatever. You get the Kith Treats ice cream cone there. The little bar, the Kith logo is like in a stick that's holding up the tent. I really like this, man. Let's check out the tag. The tag reads Kith Treats. I went with a size large. I usually go size medium. That's my true to size, guys. I'm 170 pounds, 5'7". I usually go with the medium. I went with the large, and I kind of don't know why I went with the large, man. But it should fit. Probably a little more roomy on the arms. As you can see, this right here is the medium. I have one right here from Kith. So, you know, I got the muscle, but the large would be a little loose. But I really like this, man. I brought this shirt to try to match these bad boys right here. So y'all let me know in the comment section below, is it a match? It looked more better on the Kith website, but it still matches. You got your orange, you got your pink, just a little bit more yellow than I imagined. Yes, sir. So that's just a quick review on the Kith Treats Vacation Destination. That's a long name for the tee. If you look on the back of the box, the one I have is Petal. They have one called Atoll and one called Stadium. But I think the Petal one is the best, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.